Today I'm going to show you how to stake your Bittensor tokens through the Bittensor wallet. First, you need to make sure you have a Bittensor wallet installed. If you don't, then watch the tutorial on screen now. Before we stake, we need to choose where to delegate our tokens. TAO Yield is a great place to view which validators are giving out the best APY. We can sort this to see the highest APY rewards, the highest stake, and the yield earned. Hover over the validator you'd like to stake with and copy the hotkey presented here. Open up your Bittensor wallet and click on the stake icon. When you've decided where you'd like to delegate your tokens, either paste in the delegator's address or select Delegator. For this tutorial, we're going to be delegating to the OpenTensor Foundation. Click on Stake, enter the amount you'd like to stake and click Continue. Enter your wallet password and click Continue. Review the transaction and click Stake. Congratulations, you successfully staked your Bittensor tokens.